Life is full of disappointments. And I can give you a lot of experience. For example, you're expecting to receive big amount of money. All of a sudden, bigla-bigla, ika nga nila, yung pera, naging bato pa. Or you applied for your dream job, expecting to get it because you so want to get it because it's your dream job, but you got rejected at the end. Disappointing, right? Or you're a businessman, or you're in a business, you're working hard in your business to gain a big amount of profit, but still failed, and you ended bankrupt. Disappointment, get disappointed in life. Or sa ating mga love life, you're expecting your boyfriend or your girlfriend or your partner, he or she will be the one you will marry for life, but the person died suddenly or chose someone else. Well, that's a great disappointment in a love life, right? Or you're dreaming of having a happy home, happy family, happy marriage, but it ended in broken home, broken family, or broken relationship. Or you're trusting your best friend forever, BFF, and then all of a sudden, he or she betrayed you. It hurts. Or you're praying for a healing of your body, your sickness, but still, hanggang ngayon, nagsasuffer ka pa rin, nararamdaman mo pa rin yung sakit ng iyong sickness. Yes, life is full of disappointments, whether small or big. And I should say, in our today's tutorial about disappointments, they are inevitable. Pag sinabi pong inevitable ay tiyak. Hindi may iwasan.